Welcome back everyone to Pokelex Studios. In today's video we're going to be opening up some 3-pack blisters from the brand new Paldea Evolved Scarlet and Violet set. I didn't realize, but we got all of the Tinks instead of switch. Oh no, we got a Tink, Varoom, and just those two. So we definitely need those promos for the binder. We got the Varoom Black Star promo, nice hollow pattern there. And then we got the Tink Black Star promo from Paldea Evolved. So yeah, we're gonna open up a bunch of these 3-pack blisters and hopefully we can get some amazing pulls. Before we do get started, if you guys would please go ahead and smash that like button for me. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more epic content like this. You guys let me know down in the comments if you've been opening up the Paldea Evolved set. Also let me know what you think about it so far. Go card. Yeah, I'm not too mad with it. I mean, I'm liking it so far. We were able to pull the Magikarp in a previous video. If you guys missed that video, go back and check it out. It is a Paldea Evolved video that we did. We got the Varoom promo, another code card. Yeah, so we were able to pull pretty early on opening the Paldea Evolved set. We pulled the special illustration rare Grusha. That is a pretty nice looking card. We still haven't pulled the Iono, but we have managed to get some pretty nice pulls from this set. Hopefully our luck can continue today and we can add a bunch more cards to the binder that we need. Really excited for when that Obsidian Flame set comes out. That set is going to be an amazing set. Also that Pokemon 151. I've seen a couple previews of some of the cards that will be in that set, and I got to tell you that the art on the cards is just insane. Some of the cards just incredibly detailed, very awesome of the artists with all the brand new arts on the new cards that are coming out in Pokemon 151. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I don't know how many packs we have, but we do have a good amount. So let's get started. Actually, before we do get started, we're gonna go ahead and we're not gonna go through the whole binder, but we will go through the actual art rares and, you know, special illustration rares. So yeah, let's go ahead and get, we're still missing a lot of common cards, but I have complete faith that in time we will get them all. So we have a Florigato right there and a Bramblin. There's that Magikarp, which actually when I pulled it was at like $55–$60, and now somehow it has shot up to almost $100. Pretty crazy. We got the Marrow, we got the Frigibax, it looks like a Fuecoco, Crocolore. We got a Moshhold down here, illustration rare. We got the Qianpao EX full art with the Wu Qin EX full art. And we got our Saguro. We got our Noivern EX full art. Then we run into our first special illustration rare. We got the Chi-Yu EX. We We got that Grusha special illustration rare, and we were able to pull one gold Ting Lu EX full art. So that's the binder so far. We are missing a boatload of cards. But that's why we open packs. So here we go. Meowscarada artwork. Yeah, when I picked up these packs at Target, they were stocked completely with this set. Shroodle, Glimmet, Bramblin, Shinx, Pseudo Woodo, Grusha, Primate, Fuecoco, Quaxley, and a Jumpluff Hollow. First pack is a dud. We got the Quackable artwork. Yeah, some people have been complaining about this set, saying that because of all the extra special illustration rares and secret rares and regular illustration rares, that it's hard to pull certain cards. Orthworm and Caparaja EX. Double banger, baby. Yeah, some people are complaining because of the amount of hits that are in this set, so it's a lot harder to complete. Like I said, I am very pleased with this set so far, and don't really have any complaints, I would say. We got the Clavo, Noibat, Sprigatito, Quaxley, Seviper, Pyroar, Luxio, Mismagius, Quackable EX, Gold. That is insane. 2 hits so far, guys. Looks like we are doing very well. Quackable EX full art. Gold card. Now we have 2 of the, don't know how many golds there is in the set, but we have 2. Would really love to pull that Iono. We still haven't pulled the Tyranitar illustration rare, Charcadet, Relor, Tadbulb, Frigabax, Toxicroak, Oranguru, Electrode, Tyranitar reverse, Litleo, Chimpao EX. The hits are just coming in. I think we got a really good batch from Target. Yeah, that Magikarp that we did pull is way off, way off centered, so it's not gradable, which is okay with me. It could just stay in the binder. Crocolore, Graphii, Cititan, we have a Great Ball, Tinkatuff, Orthworm, Hollow. Yeah, when that Obsidian Flames set comes out, we will be ripping a lot of that set. I mean, we're certainly going for the master set of the Obsidian Flames. Glimmet, Frigabax, Tandemos, Mismagius, Bramblegast, Superior Energy Retrieval, Nasli, Hoppip, Tinkaton Hollow. Yeah, we're also going to be doing, hopefully very soon, don't know exactly when, but feels like it's been forever, a PSA return video. I know that we have our Moonbryon in that PSA return video. Still waiting for PSA to send back the cards. It is still in the grading process. It's been like that for a few weeks now. Passimian, Sableye, Veluza, Hollow. Yeah, it's still in the grading process, so hopefully we can get those back here soon and then put out a video. I believe it's a 7-card submission. I know we have another alternate art in there, which is the Unknown V from Silver Tempest. We might even have the Genesect from Fusion Strike. I can't remember. It's been a little while. At least 3 to 4 weeks. Corvusquire, Artisan, Gothatelli, Tinglu EX, and a Tyranitar Hollow. Doubling up on the Tinglu EX gold. 2 golds already. 1 illustration rare. No specials. 2 regular EXs. That is 5 hits so far in this video. Of course, if you guys are enjoying the video, do me a favor and smash that like button for me. We upload almost daily on this channel. Open up packs, PSA return videos, and anything Pokemon, Wigglytuff, Hollow. And of course, every video we give out the code cards to you guys. If you are using the code cards, let me know down in the comments what you're getting, what you've got. I'd love to hear about it. Spidops, Nimble, Tinkatuff, Caparage EX Full Art. The hits are coming in. Can't be mad about that. Another card that we needed for the binder. Yeah, I don't think this set, even though I say that I'm okay with this set, I don't know that it's going to do very well. It is only the second set from the Scarlet and Violet era, so we'd have to give it time and see what it does. Pseudo Wudo, Primeape, Rusha, Rockruff, Love Disc, Obama Snow, Hollow. Yeah, of course, too early to tell what this set is going to do. I can say this, I believe that this set is better than the Scarlet and Violet base set. I could be wrong, it's just my opinion. Don't fault me for that. Hydreigon, Hollow. Just my opinion, like I said. But I'd say that this Scarlet and Violet era has gotten off to a very good start. Palmy, Larvitar, Calamitous, Snowy Mountains. That's a mouthful there. Weavile Reverse, Giacomo, and a Paldea and Clodsire EX. Look at that. So we got 3 EXs, 2 golds, and 1 illustration rare, and 1 full art EX card. That's 7 hits. Paldean Wooper, Pikachu, Koofant, Krogunk, Passimian, Reversal Energy, Therapeutic Energy, Rillor, Orthworm, Hariyama, Hollow. Yeah, we're not getting a lot of the illustration rares or special illustration rares for that matter. I'm telling you, I would really love to see that Iono. Definitely want to pull that Tyranitar card. We've pulled the Mero, Pineco, Palmo, Tinkatuff, Bravery Charm, Spiridome, Baxcalibur illustration rare, and Annihilate EX. We got another double banger pack. Look at the off-centeredness of that Annihilate EX. Super crazy. Yeah, if we can do how we did with Scarlet and Violet base, we opened up lots of packs, but we hardly doubled up on the hits, so that allowed us to get very far with our master set. Still missing like 7 cards, but they aren't very expensive cards, so we might just end up purchasing them to complete our set. But if we can have that same luck, we will be able to complete this Paldea Evolved set. Just for what we have in the binder already, I'd say, I mean, that binder is starting to look really good. Schnover, Fletchling, Voltorb, Clavel, Seviper, Paldean Taurus, Luxio, Frogunk, Bravery, Charm, and a Tinkaton Hollow. Still many packs to go. These are, of course, like I said, the 3-pack blisters. Here we go. Tandemos, Sprigatito, Magnemite, Nestle, Titan, Corviknight, Dunsparce, Misdreavus, Gothita, Oricorio Hollow. That fire Pokemon. Hope you guys are using the code cards. As I said, if you would like to, in the comments, let me know what you guys are getting with those code cards. Someone has to be using them, no? Iskew, Charcadet, Tinka, Tink, Slacking, and a Wu-Chin EX Air Pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 cards. So we got a hollow and we got the Wu-Chin EX. And of course our Tinka Tink illustration rare. We've gotten a lot of hits. I'd say we're doing really well. Pineco, Tinkatink, Mankey, Delibird, Pelipper, Fletchinder, Vigoroth, Super Rod, Hydreigon, and a Luxray Hollow. Yeah, we are doing very well. I'm very pleased. Looking for that Iono. Either the full art or the special illustration rare would do for me. Tropius, Dunsparce, Hoppip, Paldean, Whooper, Mabosh Tiff, Pupitar, Flamigo, Super Rod, Clavel, and a Mimikyu Hollow. Yeah, I know that Iono is not super expensive. I think the last time that I checked into it, it was at like $130 maybe. So it's not a very expensive card, but it is a very good looking card, I have to say so. Kilowatt, Azumarill, Phalanx, Pikachu, Orthworm. Whoa. Almost had a disaster. So luckily, we haven't doubled up on any of the EX cards, except for that Caparage. But every other one that we've pulled, we've needed for the binder. So it looks like we're coming down. We're about maybe halfway, or a little bit more than halfway done with this opening. So sit tight, guys. Still have a few more packs to go through. Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Lovedis, Dunsparce, Passimian, Corviknight, Rellor, Florigato, Sableye, Hollow. We have a Palmy, Larvitar, Sandygast, Tarantula, Bramblegast, Toxicroak, Crocolore, Lechling, Pupitar, Spiridome, and a Chimpao EX. 11 cards in that pack. what is going on with the 11 card packs. Looks like my boy Bob at the factory wanted to add a couple extra cards for us. Not good cards, but still, an extra card is an extra card. Here we go. Rickety, Magnemite, Phalanx, Combi, Talonflame, Heracross, Kilowattrel, Gotharita, Combi, Quackable EX. We did need that EX. I am already super pleased. We have 3 illustration rares. We have a bunch of EXs. Arrow, Mankey, Delibird, Super Rod, Moshhold, Titan, Corviknight, Wigglytuff, Tinkertuff, Palmont. Don't think we pulled any really expensive cards. Don't know what that Quackable is worth. And of course, the code cards in this set do not matter, just like Scarlet and Violet base. Not like before, where you look at the code card and you can tell if you have a hit or not. These code cards do not tell you anything. Looks like we're down to our last 5 packs, guys. Wish me luck, and let's see if we can get at least one big pull. Magikarp right here would... Rickety. Slowking EX now. Yeah, a Magikarp would do craziness right now. Like I said, that Magikarp right now is sitting at like $80 something. It's insane. Just last week when I pulled it, it was only at like $55. It has spiked tremendously. Here we go. Magikarp. Come on, Magikarp. Slowpoke, Litleo, Rockruff, Toxicroak, Rockalore, Pelipper, Wattrel, Tendemos, Surledge. Never seen that card yet. Alright guys, last 4 packs of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope that you guys enjoy opening up Paldea Evolved, Dendra, do it like this, guys. We're gonna open up the last 3 packs all together. Last 3 packs all together. All right, here we go to end the video off. We have 3 packs left. We have a Shinx, Nimble, Maschiff, Slackoff, Skiploom, Dendra, Palisand, Palmo, Tinkertuff, Sableye, Paldean Wooper, Pikachu, Koofant, Grogunk, Raichu, Arctibax, Giacomo, Misdreavus, Orthworm, Tyranitar Hollow, Charcadet, Misdreavus, Sneasel, Versal Energy, Therapeutic Energy, Choice Belt, Iono, Sableye, and a Ceruledge Hollow. Well, you guys saw it here. We have a good amount of hits to sort into the binder. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that like button on your way out. If you want to watch more content, there'll be a video that'll pop up in this corner right up over here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!